So just like this, I'm gonna line it up. And again, go as far on your felt as you can to save space, okay? Please don't cut something out from the middle of your felt so that the rest of it is only able to be used for small things. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna fit him along the edge here because I'm able to fit him multiple times. I'm gonna take like a 4B or 6B graphite pencil and I'm gonna go ahead and trace it out. I need 2 of these because I would need a front and a back because he will be stuffed eventually. So I'm gonna take 2 of these and I'm gonna cut them out. I would suggest that when you trace your first one, because you're gonna have that pencil mark on it and that's not cute. Okay, so there's my pencil mark. I'm gonna take him and I'm gonna flip him so that when I go to put him together later, the 2 dirty pencil sides can face inward and I don't have my pencil marks on the outside, because if your pencil marks are gonna face out, your stuffie's gonna look dirty. Okay, so I flipped him so that my 2 will line up when I put them together eventually. All right, the felt, this big piece of felt is only allowed to be used for body size pieces. You are not taking the large felt out of the cabinets. I will get it for you, but you can only use one big piece for your body. The smaller things like your eyes and such, you're going to go and use the felt scrap bin that's at the front of the classroom, okay? And then I can cut out things like eyes or whatever. If you need to, like if you want your eyes to be the exact same size or you're gonna do multiples of the same thing, then you're gonna wanna use your tracer paper and also draw out your limbs, okay, and your eyes. Like if my guy's gonna have little arms, right? If he's gonna have little arms, my arms can't be too thin, so I might come in, if I'm making a hand, right? I'm making a tracer. This is my little dude's hand. I'm not giving my guy hands. I'm just kind of showing you. He's 3-fingered. I don't know why. Thicker because it's going to get stuffed. So if this was my tracer for arms for a creature, I would cut this out and use this to create 4 different pieces of felt because I need a front and back for each of the arms. Okay, so you need 2 per arm for that one. So I only need 1 tracer though, because this is light on the felt and then you trace it however many of them you need. That's the point of the tracer. Okay. So I could do something like felt eyes on this guy where I would cut out like a round circle or whatever. I also have some plastic eyes that you could choose to use. Please don't just dig things out and then not use them. I would wait till you're ready to actually put them on. It looks like somebody accidentally already put this on here. There's little noses too if you wanted to use for noses. Please don't put these backings on there unless it's being put onto your stuffie because we can't get them off and that's what holds it on. So this one's basically a waste at this point. But you can look and see that there's some different eyes that could be applied to your stuffie. If you go this route, then you don't need to cut the felt pieces. If you know you're gonna go this route, you can get with me about getting some of these and I will give you the fronts and backs and you'll just slip them into your bag until you're ready to use them, okay? All right, so today your goal is design your stuffie, create your tracers, okay? Design your stuffie, create your tracers, trace onto your felt, cut out all your felt pieces, and put your felt pieces, tracers if you still need them for next class, into your bag. Make sure you don't lose your needle. We will not get to sewing today, so that is your goal, is just to design it, create your tracers, start cutting out your felt pieces.